Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to fix the Microsoft Visual C++ runtime library error fix. So it's a very simple fix. Let's get straight into it, shall we? So in this type here to search bar, you're going to type in cmd. Okay, right click on this and click on run as administrator. Make sure it says run as administrator. So to identify whether it's in administrator mode, you can see here it says system32. If it's not in administrator mode, your username will appear here. So if it's system32, it's in an administrator mode. So from here I'm going to put the code right down right here. So we're just going to add that, just bcd edit space / set space capital I increase capital U user capital V and A 2800. Okay, and then you're just going to press enter. It will say the operation completed successfully. So once this is done, close out this and restart your computer and the error should be fixed. So that's all for this video guys, a very simple fix, and yeah, thanks for watching.